efficient businesses. They want to decrease their cost, increase their revenue, but only revenue is not sufficient. What is important? Profit. सिर्फ revenue बढ़ेगा तो नहीं चलेगा, उसके बाद profit भी बढ़ना चाहिए. Understood this? Heading लिखो. Minimization of cost function and maximization of revenue function and profit function. Do you know what's the profit function? Revenue minus cost. Okay. Now first we write minimization of cost function is equal to C. So we find derivative of C with respect to X and then we take it as 0, and second order derivative should be minimize है तो less than या more than 0, more than 0. Got it? Second लिखो maximization of revenue function is equal to R. So derivative of R with respect to X is equal to 0, and second order derivative with respect to X should be less than 0. And the third one, maximization of profit function is equal to P. Therefore, derivative of P with respect to X is equal to 0, and second order derivative of profit function with respect to X should be less than 0. ये करके जो x का वैल्यू आएगा वहां से हमें पता चलेगा कि whether that is the number of units where profit will be maximum, revenue will be maximum, or cost will be minimum. Then in equation they will also ask you to find out what is the maximum profit, what is the maximum revenue, what is the minimum cost. तो क्या करोगे? Main जो function है उसमें you will put the values. Understood this? पता चल गया पूरा स्टेप? ओके, पेज नंबर 191, illustration 32. The daily cost of production for X ton of commodity is 10x square minus 1000x plus 50,000. How many units should be produced? Question बराबर पढ़ना. यहाँ पे पूछा है how many units should be produced. It is asked that we have to find out how many units are to be produced for minimum cost, and also find the minimum cost. So just by finding number of units it's not sufficient. Ki at what number of units cost will be minimum. We also have to find out what is the minimum cost at those units. Understood this? So we start with the first step. Illustration 32, page number 191. Cost function C is equal to 10x square minus 1000x plus 50,000. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे? इसके बाद We'll find out the derivative. So derivative of c with respect to x is equal to 20x minus 1000. We will take derivative of c with respect to x is equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 20x minus 1000. Therefore, 20x is equal to 1000. So, x is equal to 1000 by 20, which is equal to 50 units. Got it? Cost function लिखा, उसका derivative find किया. अब हमें क्या find करना है? Sorry, we have done this. Now we have to do the second order derivative. Second order derivative of cost with respect to x is equal to, what's the equation? 20x minus 1000, so it will become 20. Now here यहाँ पे x है ही नहीं. This is a constant. So 20 is greater than 0. Understood this? Okay, so add 50 units, or when x is equal to 50, cost is minimum. Minimum cost is equal to 10x square minus 1000x plus 50,000 is equal to 10 into 50 square minus 1000 into 50 plus 50,000, which is equal to rupees 25,000. Answer. Illustration 33, page 191. A factory produces X units and its production capacity is 60,000 units per day. Its total production cost is C is equal to 2,50,000 plus 0.08x plus 20 crore upon X. How many units should be produced for minimum production cost? Now, let's start. Write down illustration number 33. Production cost. C is equal to 2,50,000 plus 0.08x plus 20 crore divided by X. What will find first? Marginal cost or derivative of C with respect to X, which is the marginal cost, which is equal to 0 plus 0.08 plus 20 crore into 1 by x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? minus 1 by x square, which is equal to 0.08 minus 20 crore upon x square. Understood this? So this is first order derivative for our cost function. Now we taking derivative of c with respect to x is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0.08 minus 20 crore by x square. Therefore, x square is equal to 20 crore 0.08, which is equal to 250 crore. Therefore, X is equal to plus or minus 50,000. Units cannot be negative. Hence, X is equal to 50,000 units. Now, we'll take second order derivative for cost function, which is equal to this is our first order, second order. For x square, which is equal to, this will become 0 minus, I'll write in bracket, 20 crore into 1 by x square, which is equal to 0 minus 20 crore into x 1 by x square is equal to x raised to minus 2, which is minus 2 into x raised to minus 3. Understood this? So, which is equal to 0 minus 20 into 2, 40 crore upon x raised to 3 minus, so this minus and minus will become plus, is equal to 40 crore upon x raised to 3. X is equal to 50,000. Therefore, is equal to second order derivative of cost with respect to x is equal to 40 crore upon 50,000 raised to 3, which is greater than 0 because it's not negative. Because it is not negative, so therefore cost is minimum at x is equal to 50,000 units. Answer. Illustration 34. The demand function of a watch is P is equal to 6,000 minus 2x. Find the demand which maximizes the revenue and also find the corresponding price. We write the demand function. P is equal to 6,000 minus 2x. Revenue function R. R is equal to P into X, which is equal to X into 6,000 minus 2X, which is equal to 6,000X minus 2X square. We got the revenue function. Now, we find, because we have to find minimize and maximize, we'll find the derivative of this or marginal revenue. It's the same thing. Revenue function ka derivative is marginal revenue. Cost function ka derivative is marginal cost. Profit function ka derivative is marginal profit. Understood this? So we find the derivative of R with respect to X is equal to, what will be this? What? 6,000 minus 4x. Okay. Now taking derivative of r with respect to x is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 6000 minus 4x. Therefore, 4x is equal to 6000. Therefore, x is equal to 1500. Now we have to check whether we maximize or minimize. Revenue should always be maximum. Okay? So, second order derivative of revenue function is equal to second order derivative 0 minus 4, which is equal to minus 4, less than 0. So, revenue is maximum when x is equal to 1500 units. ये जो है ना, we just check over here, we just check whether it is greater or whether it is less than 0. Is that clear? Okay. Revenue is maximum when x is equal to 1500 units. Now what we have to find over here? We have to find the corresponding price P. So, taking x is equal to 1500 in P is equal to 6000 minus 2x. P is equal to 3000. Illustration 35. If the production cost function for a producer is C is equal to 100 plus 0.015x square and the revenue function is R is equal to 3x, then find the profit function. How many units should be produced by the producer for maximum profit? Mark this important. Illustration 35, page number 193. Cost function C is equal to 100 plus 0.015 x square and revenue function R is equal to 3x. Therefore, profit function P is equal to revenue function minus cost function, which is equal to 3x minus 100 plus 0.015 x square, which is equal to 3x minus 100 minus 0.015 x square. Therefore, P is equal to 3x minus 100 minus 0.015 x square. यहाँ पे हम कुछ भी सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं? कुछ भी कर सकते सिंप्लीफाई? No. So let's proceed. Now first thing what we will find is, we will find derivative of profit with respect to x, which is equal to 3x will become 3 minus 100 is 0 minus 2 into 0.015, so is 0.03x, which is equal to 3 minus 0.03x. Taking derivative of profit with respect to x is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 3 minus 0.03x. Therefore, 3 is equal to 0.03x. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 0.03, which is equal to 100. Now, we have to check. So, we go for second order derivative. Derivative of profit with respect to x is equal to, this will become 0. So 0 minus 0.03, which is minus 0.03, less than 0. So profit is maximum when x is equal to 100 units. Answer. Now in this sum, if we are asked to find out the profit kitna hai, bhai maximum profit kitna hai, so we use this 100 and put it in the profit function. Understood this?